Alright, we've got a 2012-13 box, Absolute Basketball. So there's going to be 5 cards per pack, 4 packs per box. Yeah, like a mini box. This is my 3rd Absolute break. I received the redemption, the Marcus Aldridge redemption that I received about a month ago. So you get 4 packs in there. And the Kobe pack. All base Kobe's.
Lakers lose by a score of 122-97 to start off this 4-game road trip. They've now dropped 3 in a row. That's a season high in points.
Thaddeus Young,
for the 6th straight game,
Greg Monroe, Jeremy Lin, Samuel Dellenbert, and iconic autographs, Blake Griffin. Nice. That's sick. Never got a Blake Griffin. Don't have one, don't own one. I've actually got some spare boxes available if you'd like to purchase any. So if you're looking for a cheap box, you can find them on my Facebook page, or you can leave a message and I'll get back to you. Alright, so Goran Dragic, Andre Miller, David West jersey, numbered 16 of 25. Be nice if it was a patch. James Harden and Marc Gasol. Mini boxes. John Wall, Dennis Rodman, retired, nice. Trey Tompkins, auto, 325 of 349. Russell Westbrook and LeBron James. And the last one, Daniel Gibson, base, Jose Calderon, Andrew Bynum, Devin Harris, and another redemption rookie autograph, John Henson. Alright, so where are you? Focus, you bar. John Henson. So I got that one. Got David West jersey, nice. Sick one here, Blake Griffin. Iconic autographs, card number 1. Where are you picking up there? I think. Doesn't have a serial number on it, don't know. Not sure. And the other one was the Trey. There you go. Alright, so yeah, got my first Blake Griffin. So check out my Facebook page. Let me know if you want to buy a box. It's good fun opening up your cards, so make sure you get into it. If you've got any comments or you want to ask me any questions, you want to talk about something, just find me on Facebook. Cheers.